In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put underline without text in Microsoft Word. This quick technique is perfect for creating signature lines, fill-in-the-blank areas, or clean visual separators without attaching the line to any words. You don't need any special tools for this, just your keyboard and a couple of simple actions. First, open your document and decide exactly where you want the line to appear. Click once in that spot so you see the blinking insertion point. That cursor tells Word, "This is where I want to start." If you want the line aligned a certain way, left, centered, or right, set your paragraph alignment before you begin so the line appears exactly where you expect it to land on the page. Now for the line itself. On your keyboard, locate the key that also types a hyphen. Hold down the Shift key and press that hyphen key to type an underscore. Keep pressing while holding Shift to add more underscores. Each underscore is a small segment of the line. As you repeat it, the line grows. Continue until the line reaches the length you need. You've just created a clean underline with no text attached. If you need to adjust the length, tap backspace to shorten the line, or add a few more underscores to extend it. The look of the line follows your font. If you want it slightly bolder or lighter, you can change the font size or style of that line, just like regular text. Keeping the line's font the same as your document's body text usually gives a consistent, professional appearance. When you're ready to move on, press Enter to go to the next line and keep typing your content. If Word ever turns your underscores into a full-width border after you press Enter, simply hit Undo and continue typing your underscores without pressing Enter until the line is complete. That behavior comes from an automatic formatting feature. Finishing the underscores first typically avoids the conversion. A couple of quick tips for cleaner results. Set your alignment first if you want a centered signature line, and keep your line on a single paragraph so it stays together when the document reflows. If you plan to reuse the line elsewhere, you can copy and paste it and then fine-tune the length with a few quick keystrokes. That's all there is to it. Click where you want the line, then hold Shift and press the hyphen key repeatedly to create underscores until you're satisfied with the length. Simple, precise, and ready for signatures, blanks, and neat separators anywhere in your Word document.